Hey, what's going on, guys? Cardistry here, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips on the curly cue. So let's get right in. Alright, to the grip. So I will be explaining the way I hold the deck. I place my thumb along the border right here. These three fingers that are alongside the deck, they will be touching the top card. Make sure they do not go above the top card that much. And the index finger right here will be held out so that once the cards come around, it can catch it. Alright, so now from the starting grip that I had explained previously, I'll be explaining the pressure. So from the starting grip, these three fingers that are alongside the deck will be applying pressure. Specifically, the pinky and the ring will be applying more pressure than the middle. The thumb will also be applying pressure, but not as much as the fingers that are alongside the deck. The reason I like applying pressure with the pinky and the ring is because the pressure gets applied mainly along this portion of the thumb, and so what that does is it causes the cards to go in that circular spiraling motion. Alright, so now let me discuss the move. You're going to want to apply pressure, and so the cards will begin to come around. Okay? Once they come to this end, you're going to want to lift up your index finger so you can catch the cards. If not, they're going to fall. So that's pretty much the entire move. This move will take you guys a while, and it's all pressure sensitive, so each amount of pressure that is being applied by each finger matters. So if you guys have any more questions, leave them down in the comments. And as I said, this will be a very tedious move to learn, and it's really knacky, so just keep at it and experiment with different pressures.